We look at the types of classic difficult behaviours, the source of those behaviours, because we have to understand why people behave the way they do before we can deal effectively. And just some basic, actually not rocket science, strategies and tactics that in 25 years that I've been helping people to deal with difficult people, I know work. Looking at the differences between being assertive when it's appropriate to be passive, and not fearing that if you stand your ground and you say no to unreasonable requests that you're not coming across as aggressive, but that is being assertive. We look at type, personality. Some types find it easier to deal with difficult people. How we recognise when a conflict goes from, a simple disagreement to something that feels far more personal and entrenched. And also just some basic motivational theories about how we motivate people to think about modifying their behaviour. And simple things like body language. We've got to make sure our language matches our body language, and also how we set the tone so that we encourage other people to treat us with the dignity and respect that we treat them.